let's examine this 19th century guidebook to the city of Washington, D.C. It's in beautiful, clean, bright condition like so. 1885, right on the front cover, stamped in gilt like this. On the spine as well. I do have an affection for books that have dates printed on the spine or on the cover. It's got a nice early book plate, which is one in that series of book plates asking the person nicely if you've borrowed the book to please return it. This early owner has affixed their name here, which is kind of amusing because it looks like it belonged to someone else, and then he affixed his names. One can only hope and assume he purchased it as opposed to borrowed it and then put his name in it. That's pretty funny. Okay, 1885, here it is. And we see that there is a large fold-out plan like so. It's slightly misfolded down here, easy to fix, but I don't want to get into trying to attempt that now while we're showing the book. There is the typical, very typical inset tear right here from people in the past, rather carelessly unfolding the map. You see that a lot on antiquarian books where there's fold-out plates, is often at the inset tab. You will see a short tear. It's easy to fix with archival tape. If you want, we can do it for you. We can send you some archival tape, or you can do it yourself, or you can leave it be the way it is. It's nothing offensive about that. It has numerous line drawing or transfer images here that are likely taken or transferred after photographs. And now we have a more detailed urban plan here that names 57 specific buildings and statues and galleries around the city, like so. It continues on with further railroad stations, etc., for a total of 62 specific features. Nice little panoramic bird's eye view there. Could be a line drawing or a line engraving. At this era, there's a number of techniques going on. We see that the contents are very clean. It's a lovely little guidebook, beautifully preserved. Looks like it's been sitting on a shelf for the past 100+ years. Profusion of illustrations throughout, like this. Yeah, look at that. Look at the detail on that. That's great. Every single room identified. Yeah. Okay, so there we go. You have now seen the contents of the book, and it is charming indeed. It is now available online from me, Brian DeMambro.